Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pillar English. I'm Emily, and I'm very happy to see you today. If you are learning English and want to speak more naturally about yourself, today's episode is perfect for you. Let me ask a simple question. What is your favorite food? Your favorite color? Your favorite hobby? Talking about your favorites is a fun and easy way to start conversations. People love sharing what they like. It helps you connect with friends, classmates, and coworkers. Today, we will practice talking about your favorites in English. This episode is made for beginners, so we will use easy words, short sentences, and clear examples. In this episode, you will learn how to talk about your favorite food, color, hobby, and more, how to ask and answer questions politely, how to share opinions naturally in social situations, how to practice conversation confidently. Don't worry about making mistakes. Speaking about favorites is friendly and relaxed. It's a simple way to improve your English, have fun, and build confidence. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's start talking about your favorites today. Now let's talk about favorites in public situations. People often share favorites in daily life. Here are some examples. My favorite food is pizza. I like the color blue the most. My favorite hobby is reading. Notice the phrases my favorite and I like. These are simple, natural, and polite. In public, people may ask, what is your favorite movie? Which music do you like? What is your favorite season? You can answer simply and confidently. I like action movies. My favorite music is pop. I enjoy summer the most. You can also talk about general favorites. Many people love chocolate. Blue is a popular color. Reading is a common hobby. Sharing your favorites is not about being perfect. It's about showing who you are and enjoying conversation. In English, it's polite to ask back, "What about you? Do you like it too?" This shows interest and keeps the conversation going. Talking about favorites is friendly, fun, and easy. It helps people get to know each other. Let's practice questions and answers about favorites. Common questions include, what is your favorite food? Which color do you like most? What do you like to do in your free time? Simple answers work best. Question, what is your favorite food? Answer, my favorite food is pasta. Question, which color do you like? Answer, I like green. Another example. Question, what is your favorite hobby? Answer, I enjoy drawing. You can also answer more casually. I like it a lot. I really enjoy it. It's my favorite. If you want to ask someone back, you can say, what about you? Do you like it too? Which one do you prefer? Even if you are unsure, it's okay. I don't have a favorite. I like many things. Practicing these questions and answers will help you feel more confident in conversations. Talking about favorites is common in social interactions. With friends, it's casual and fun. My favorite movie is Spider-Man. Really? Mine is Iron Man. With family, it can be more supportive. You like pizza? Yes, it's my favorite. At school or work, people talk politely. My favorite subject is English. My favorite team is the local soccer team. Remember, when talking about favorites, it's important to be friendly and respectful. Instead of saying, that's a boring hobby, say, Oh, that's interesting. I like something different. You can also share more details politely. My favorite color is red because it feels happy. My favorite food is sushi because it's tasty. Asking others about their favorites shows interest and builds connections. What about you? Do you like it too? Which one do you prefer? Talking about favorites helps people connect, have fun, and practice English naturally. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we practiced talking about your favorites in English. We learned simple phrases like my favorite and I like, practiced questions and answers, and shared ideas politely in social situations. Talking about favorites is easy, friendly, and fun. It's a great way to practice speaking, meet new people, and enjoy conversations in English. Here's a simple exercise for today. Say 3 sentences about your favorites out loud. For example, my favorite color is blue. I like reading books. My favorite food is pizza. Try to ask a friend or family member about their favorites too. Practice will help you feel more confident every day. Thank you for listening to Pillar English. I'm Emily, and I'm proud of your progress. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep sharing, and enjoy speaking about your favorites.